everyone, this is Miss Diana
and Miss Free.
and together we'll be working with kindergarten and first grader students during this virtual summer camp.
This week we'll be learning about science. Our first experiment is the magic balloon. Have you ever wondered why when you take your clothes out the dryer they get stuck together? Or when you go down the slide and you get shocked after you touching metal?
Good questions. Why?
Because that's called static electricity. That is what we will be learning this week.
Great. So the materials that we're gonna use are paper plate, salt, pepper, a balloon, and any piece of cloth that you have.
I hope you enjoy.
We need a spoon of salt, spoon of pepper, mix it together. This is a mixture, not a compound. That means I can use my finger to separate the salt and the pepper, but this will take a long time. Let us show you a faster way to do it.
Time for static electricity. I'm going to be building up negatively charged electrons on this balloon. What does the word electrons remind you of? You're right, electricity. Electricity is all about positive and negative charges. The balloon is coming to a negative charge, and the salt and pepper is a positive charge. Opposites attract. Let's see what happens. Whoa! The pepper jumped through the air onto this balloon. Amazing! So why didn't the salt do the same thing?
Good question. Because the pepper is lighter than the salt.
Now it's time for you to do the activity at home.
But before we go, let's practice the words that we learned today. Static,
Electricity,
electron,
mixture,
compound. Bye. See you next time.